Got a Honda Odyssey, and the Honda Odyssey is showing a check gas cap or Titan gas cap light. Instead of throwing an engine code, it is fortunate to show the check gas cap light. So today we're going to inspect it and replace it. So first thing to do is just tighten it. So you tighten it down, you hear the clicking, that sounds good, but that's been the case all along and you're still getting the Titan gas cap. So one way of doing that is testing it, well, first of all inspecting it, but we're going to add a marker around the perimeter, around the seal, and see if that marker disappears. So right around, you can see the seal. Add a marker, just a highlighter, and got a red highlighter. So now we're going to put that back on the cap, and if it's got a good seal, then the red should be removed. Okay, so it's tightened. Now we'll remove it, and look, nothing. So if you get paper towel or rag or something, that marker should disappear. So in this case, this gas cap is not making a seal. We've got a new gas cap that's fit for this Honda Odyssey, and we'll show you how to install that. This is the type of gas cap we got. It's a Stant. And we got a tethered attachment. So again, it tightens, it makes it click. And you could test the seal the same way we did with the other gas cap. But that's it. You just attach the tether and put it in the side there. Okay.